Hello everyone. In our last video, we saw that when our net taxable income is still 12 lakhs, we'll get a rebate under section 87A where the entire tax liability is waived off. If you remember, see, when the income is up to 12 lakhs, the entire tax liability, which is 60,000, is getting waived off because of the rebate, that is 60,000, and thus the net tax liability is zero. What if our income is more than 12 lakhs? What if our net taxable income is more than 12 lakhs? We know at that time we will not get any rebate. There will be no rebate. What to do then? Can we still pay lesser amount of tax? Is there any way to save tax if our net taxable income is more than 12 lakhs? Yes, there is. And that is marginal relief, which says that if your incremental tax liability is more than the incremental income, there will be a relief that you will get. There is a way where you can pay lesser amount of tax. So let's take one example. Say for example, if your salary income is 13 lakhs, if Ramu Kaka's salary income is 13 lakhs, you will get a flat deduction of 75,000. That is a standard deduction, which makes your net taxable income to be 12,25,000. In this case, so see, since our income is 12,25,000, our tax liability is coming down to 63,750. 63,750. However, had our income been 12 lakhs, there would have been no tax at all. So can I say, just because our income increased by 25,000, our tax liability increased from 0 to 63,750. What to do then? There is a marginal relief, because in this case our increase in income is less and increase in tax liability is more. See, increase in income is 25,000, however increase in tax liability is 63,750. In this case, the government says that if your incremental tax liability is more than the incremental income, we will take that incremental income to be your tax liability. In this case, we will not have to pay 63,750. Rather, we will pay only the additional income. That is, we will pay only 25,000 rupees. Because of which our tax liability will be 25,000 plus health and education cess at the rate 4%. Thus, the relief that we will be getting, that will be 38,750. So, crazy, right? If you want to know about more tax saving hacks, please follow, share, and subscribe.